falling off, getting melted, and it is falling off. So this has uh, good amount of calorific value and volatile substances. Although I have mixed wood powder, you can see wood powder on the surface. So this flame has been burning for almost 2 minutes. So we'll give it some more heat and fire. Okay, so this didn't suffice. We'll give it some more. So this is producing red flame. We have to understand, because blue flame is the most efficient flame. Red flame is when there is impurities in the air or the gas or the burning, there is impurities are there. So this milk waste, you see, we have baked it in Sunwing solar oven at around 180 degrees Celsius for a couple of hours, 5 hours approximately. 160 degree will be more precise, I believe, although I didn't have the exact data. I see that this portion is burning nicely, and we have to do all the tests that what is this. Uh, you see, this one is catching the flame so nicely. So this is the milk waste. So it means that it has calorific value, but how much we don't know. We have to figure out and figure out a process to use it as uh, a burning substance to run the boilers in the milk industry. Apologies for my commentary, slow commentary, because this is 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm yet to have my coffee and other things. I just rush to get these things, test it before I head on for my office, because even during lockdown we have offices. So anyway, so this is, you see, now we are getting a good flame. You see, it is, see, that is the fat of the milk. So the results are good enough. So results are positive. So this is an effective burning is an effective solution. But although the smoke and carbon emissions are another issue, but I believe that the fat in the milk waste is good enough to be used for incineration. We'll figure out what is the best way. So we have another 90 kgs that has gone into composting with the Puri municipality composting pits, that is called as MCC. This one we had made as briquettes. This one is not the best results, but fair. This has passed the exam that yes, this can be incinerating material. We have to test it with various additions like wood waste and other waste, organic waste, which can give it a better flame. and so these are the raw ones without any wood in it. So these are still there. It is, I would say, there is absolutely no heat in this thing. They're completely 100% dry. So the next step is making biogas out of it and finalizing, okay, what is the biogas production from this. And we'll be doing also some solar drying with this and check what will be the toxicity of this and material after it is being dried. So that is where we'll do elementary analysis of this dried thing. So let me go to the top and show you how, I'm trying to make the briquettes. So this is the 25 kg sludge that I have put in for drying in the sun. So this was dried. Some of it was actually used in this perforated pipes. You see there are holes are there so that the water gets out, and it was used. I tried to make briquettes out of it by compressing it and getting the water out. The water came out, but the briquette got stuck. So at times this is my failure. This is how we do experimentations and we fail. And this is the sunwings where I dried everything. So that is our composting pit. That is where this will be used. This one will be used in small batches, and these are the small containers where it will be induced with earthworms. So in every batch there will be different quantities that will be induced, and we'll check out with earthworms where earthworms are surviving, thriving, and where they don't. So that will give us the right quantity. And this is the composting pit, so we'll compost some amount of it and we'll see what happens to the plants. Already there is a plant growing in the composting pit, so we'll study. And this is where I had baked all this stuff. So this is the tray. This is how it has turned out. So this is pretty hard, and some of it because of the heat from the bottom they have turned black. So it's good enough. Carbon rich, calcium, magnesium, and other phosphorus rich organic manure. So unless we do the elementary analysis, we cannot say with absolute certainty what is the outcome. So this is all for today's experimentation. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye. Shashwat Panda from Puri. Puri is as in promoters in urban and rural infrastructure clean tech projects. Thank you.